Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: GPU outputs, cables, and the monitor's capabilities. Plug both displays into the best ports, prioritize direct display port or HDMI connections for stability. Once connected, power them on and open your operating system's display settings so you can arrange screens logically. Make sure the primary monitor is set for color accuracy and the secondary is positioned where you want your timeline and scopes. This early attention prevents wasted time later and sets a reliable editing foundation. Next, you configure your video editor to take full advantage of two displays. Drag the program monitor and scopes to the primary, then move the timeline, media browser, and bins to the secondary screen so your primary stays uncluttered. Once done, enable GPU acceleration and choose a playback resolution like 1/2 or 1/4 to reduce stutter during rough edits. Make sure color profiles and LUTs are applied to the primary monitor, so what you grade reflects final output accurately. To finish, save your customized workspace and export a brief preview to confirm the arrangement matches your expectations. If you encounter performance issues, first inspect cables and ports, then monitor GPU usage and switch to proxies if necessary. If colors look different across screens, recalibrate the primary monitor and verify that both displays use the correct color space, for example Rec. 709 versus sRGB. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily swap monitors to isolate whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.